everybody. It is my favorite time of year because everything around me sparkles. And as you can see behind me, I have my Christmas tree up, and sitting under that tree is a little bit of something special and a little bit of something sparkly from my friends at Read Your Heart. So you may have seen in the video just before kind of a shot of the gift underneath the Christmas tree. So let's open it up and let's take a look and see what's inside, because I think it's something really fun and exciting. So I'm just gonna come over here and get this guy, and as you can see, look at this gorgeous package here. And as always, they actually sent this item with the gift bag included that says Read Your Heart, and it's this beautiful blue, kind of a little reminiscent of a Tiffany blue, I'm gonna say. So it seems very quiet luxury, very classy. And inside, what they also give is this beautiful padded gift box that comes with the jewelry inside. That's very nice, very luxurious. Obviously has embossed Read Your Heart there too. Beautiful. So I know that it's going to look as gorgeous under the Christmas tree as it looked under mine. Also included in the experience from Read Your Heart is a beautiful information packet that tells you all sorts of information, I should say pamphlet, around the origin of the Moissanite diamonds that are the creative force behind the Read Your Heart brand. All of their pieces of jewelry are exquisitely made from Moissanite diamonds. Now, Moissanite diamonds are a little bit special. These are sustainably made, eco-friendly diamonds. There is a very special story about how they came about, but the really good news is for many of who want to get the same fire, the same hardness as the diamonds that they see that are, I guess what you could say, real diamonds, these sustainably created diamonds can give a lot, if not even more, of that fire, and can give so many options, and obviously have it be more ethically sourced than many other types of diamonds. So this, obviously, the pamphlet that they come along with very clearly points out the difference between their Moissanite diamond and a real diamond. And as you can see, the fire is actually stronger on the Moissanite. The gloss is better too. I wish I could show this. The gloss is higher. The brilliance is higher. And diamonds are slightly harder than a Moissanite, but only minutely. So when you're actually getting these particular sustainably created diamonds, you're gonna find that they are just more brilliant, just absolutely gorgeous. So they are the most popular alternative to diamonds, and they have all the instructions about how to care, about the story, about how this jewelry is so important. So I think it really was something. When they approached me, I felt compelled to be able to obviously share, and they were obviously very kind to send something along. So let's take a look, because one of the things that has been popping off this year have been tennis bracelets, and I happen to be a fan of a tennis bracelet. So when they gave me an opportunity to choose something from Read Your Heart, and there's so many choices: earrings, there are necklaces, obviously lots of engagement rings, so I mean from every style you can imagine. My thing are bracelets, and so this thing is absolutely gorgeous. And so it's inside of this, you can see this beautiful velvet box here, and look at the just the absolute gorgeous sparkle on this thing. I am absolutely in love with this bracelet. I cannot thank Read Your Heart enough. I mean, just look at how that just is sparkling next to this very sparkly Christmas tree, and nothing says quiet luxury like the sterling silver on this particular bracelet here. So let me just hold this up and show this gorgeous item here. Look how beautiful that is. And then obviously with the tennis bracelets too, it's just the links and how exquisitely made this is. And then obviously with it being sterling silver, this is a 0.1 carat of the moissanite, but isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? And the whole reason the person who created this brand, they wanted to be able to bring this high-end experience, but with it being ethically sourced. And I think that for many of us, it's really important. And if you take a look at my links and my description down below, you can follow it. There's codes, obviously, for extra discounts and so forth with Vibe 15. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then obviously how the clasps are made. Obviously the locking feature here is absolutely gorgeous. I am always absolutely astounded at how beautiful it is. So let me show you here with its locking mechanism, and it just beautifully locks right in there. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Some of you may already have seen how beautiful this is, but you cannot beat how beautiful the presentation box is, the beautifulness of this absolutely gorgeous tennis bracelet. Obviously I will leave the links down below also so that you can find this particular style. There are so many styles, and you can obviously, there are so many savings over the holiday period, that one of the things too is that you can ensure that you maybe can even stack a few of them together. There's all different styles, so whatever your preference of cut of the moissanite diamond is, but I can promise you, look at how just beautiful that piece is. So I just want to thank Read Your Heart again for providing this bracelet. Now let me put it on. Obviously going to put this on my left hand. Now somebody did want to know what is the story behind the tennis bracelet. So Chris Everett, the tennis player, she had a American female tennis player, Wimbledon champion, US Open. I think she might have won the Grand Slam too. Don't get upset with me down below if I don't know all the facts. She wore diamond tennis bracelets all the time, and these were very popular in the 1970s because it kind of had the style of a very well-to-do, but without, you know, somebody, it kind of had a little bit of the chic without having, look at that beautifulness, and I just want to show you that on there. So it had the chicness of the diamonds of the bracelet without a lot of the fussiness. So it was something that you could wear not only with a pair of jeans and a, you know, casual sweater, but something that you could also dress up and wear to a party. And the tennis player, Chris Everett, really loved to wear tennis bracelets. And during the first US Open played at the new grounds, but it was there, and she lost her bracelet on the tennis court. And so afterwards, they actually stopped the game so that Chris Everett could find her diamond tennis bracelet, and or what was her diamond bracelet, and afterwards it was then termed a tennis bracelet. Prices are so great at Read Your Heart that you can actually get a few and stack them up on here. So, you know, take advantage of that. Take advantage of my discount code Vibe15 down below. Take a look at the website. Think about something maybe for you for Christmas to wear to a party, something that you could give somebody. I want to thank Read Your Heart for this amazing opportunity to share this with my subscribers and anybody who wants to pop in and style this. It is something that you will find is a really fun piece to wear for any occasion. So yeah, take advantage, take a look. Once again, thank you, Read Your Heart. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to keep sparkling this holiday.